On your screens, the starters for Zeus Coffee, and we are seeing, as we mentioned earlier, both teams looking for their first wins. Actually, Nextled trying to also get a win against a team who's looking for their first win in the entire franchise, and that's Zeus Coffee.
That's right.
And quick action here for the first point. Troncoso, ball back to Zeus. Back row attack, Jove picked up. And Jove with defense. Mahaba agad!
Yes!
First point to be scored by Lucille Almonte for Nextled.
Pensa na pinakita ng both squads, but that finish by Almonte using the hands of her blockers, getting their first point. Thunderbell score. Take a look at that. Float serve.
Biglang. And classic floater serve from Kiara.
Oh, good serve.
Ah. Troncoso. And that getting through. That will give. Good first ball. Maji is the setter. And Lucille on a roll. One more time on that attack.
Right in between the blockers.
Mondonedo there. Good setting. Talagang dinukot galing sa ilalim. And that was a conversion. Nextled is scoring consecutive points. Jove Gonzaga, there you go. Lefty for lefty. And that spike of the set brought to you by Duncan Pasalubong.
But kanina, 5 points advantage. Ngayon, down to 1 na lang itong Zeus Coffee.
That was outside. Good call by Pineda to let that go. But they are going to question it. Oh!
But Zeus Thunderbells, Cloahan, their setters, really activating all of her attackers, trying to confuse the blockers of Nextled.
Troncoso picked up there by Nextled.
Overset. Good save.
Troncoso again will go. Back Pineda knew where to be. Oh, wow. Good transition from Nextled. Ang bilis sila makarecover, and Permentilla took advantage.
Permentilla, I think the top scorer for Nextled for this set. Take a look at that. Targeting cross-score.
Talked about how she had 21 points in her first game in this conference. And Thea Gagate, and that is what Zeus needs to really exploit.
Yeah, na ma-activate si Thea dahil hindi ganun ka-consistent yung first ball nila na dumadating kay Cloahan.
Ebon will go up. Smart play. Gagate picked it up.
Oh! That was Gagate again with that kill block.
And the block of the set brought to you dito. Tatlo yung pinakamalaking lamang, no, na nakita natin. Gagate picked up by Ebon.
Soft spike. Oh, good defense.
Yes. And look at Thea Gagate all alone in the middle. That's 3 for Thea.
Problema dahil ang ganda ng defense nila, but pag nabablock ng opponent nila or sila mismo yung nakaka-touch, wala silang ganun katibay na
Serve,
coverage.
she got it started here. Scored the first point for Nextled. Ang lalalim ng kanilang mga serve.
Yeah.
That's a Atienza, they're trying the running attack. Good coverage we're seeing, except that time that one got away from Zeus.
Yeah, that was Kiara Permentilla. Good serve again.
And look at Jove Gonzaga taking care of business for Zeus, getting the ball back.
So there's a huge opening in the cross court for Jove Gonzaga. Take a look at that.
Nextled with a 2-point lead. Atienza, good serve. Still the rebounds. This time they're able to set up a play. Another chance now for Zeus.
Oh, good block.
Block ni Criston. And she goes again. Makaslam feeling it.
Yeah, the back-to-back blocks for Krish Makaslam. Matibay sila mag-blocking, pero yung, ang ganda ng dikit ni...
Uy, pasok!
Yeah.
Boy, you know, you've been talking about the good serves coming from Nextled.
Yes. Oo. Like, ang layo. Ang layo nung pinagbagsakan ng bola.
Reverse to Ebon. Picked up by Gonzaga. Troncoso barely getting it over. Ebon ulit. Tapia with a good cover. One more chance for next lead. This time from the left pin. Permentilla can do no wrong.
That's right. And ang ganda ng pasok ni Macas Langford. Yung middle blocker na Zeus Coffee. Take a look at that again. Open yung cross court.
5 chances here for next lead. Running attack. And look at Krish Macaslang. You know, I think she deserves the game point because Krish has been a beast to Zeus Coffee. An error again. We're talking about the errors, and that is an unforced error by Krish Macaslang. Now from the other side, still to Permentilla. Takes care of that one. And it's called inside. Coach Atori is not happy about that call. First tactical timeout, Gagate with 5 points today. Running attack.
Oh.
Pantay naman ni Arroyo.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng one-on-one block na yon ni Arroyo. Read of Atienza. Pa niya yung sukat ng court natin.
Oh, hindi daw 4,000 points. Yan madali lang habulin. May point. May point siya.
Right. So far, Zeus Coffee with a 5-0 run.
Arroyo again. She is feeling it.
Right. And that's...
Maraginot looking for Ebon. And that's outside.
Much needed point for next leg.
Another tough serve by Jaja. Tapia is foiled by Macaslang and Ebon coming together.
Yeah, good block by next madaming puntos dito on next lead. Take a look at that block.
Dynamic ng team and kung ano yung dinadala niya na pagbabago at magandang sistema. And that one is good. Again, just
right.
Dominating at the net.
Yeah, so far, good. Take a look at that. Talaga nabasa niya kay Jovelyn. Humabol lang siya sa block.
Macaslang having a heyday at the net. Running attack. That was a tough one. Little low from Mondoñedo.
Next lead. Take a look at that again. Cloan really trying her middle attackers.
Picky with your sets dahil unang-una kailangan din matulungan ihatid ng maganda, ng mabuti. Like that, talaga nahihirapan sila sa receive kaya hindi rin makagawa ng play ng maigi. Here's a chance for Zeus Coffee to tie things up here midway in the second set. Almonte going deep, finding that pocket. Yeah. Zone 5.
Actually, parang na-late nga siya sa kanyang approach or masyadong mababa yung contact niya, but still.
7 points for Lucille Almonte today. And that running attack, you know, this seems to be the specialty of the house. Ito yung talagang finally nakuha rin niya.
Yeah, kanina pa nga siya nagsislide attack, you're right.
Oh. Jaja again with her tricks, but the defense of Zeus nanaig. Again. And she does it twice in a row.
And it was Job Gonzaga who got it twice.
Let's see if she'll do it again. Nope, a combination attack. That one worked.
Yeah.
We've seen the 3 setters already on display here for next lead.
Good check and a good defense.
Oh! Medyo na mag-pass.
Yeah. And malayo kay...
Let's see if this one works. So it's outside to Arroyo. Easy peasy for Chini.
Yep. Nakakuha pa siya ng punto.
Laki na ng lamang ng Zeus kanina. We saw a 6-point lead by Zeus Coffee. Good rebound. Rally going. Yeah. And Gagate puts an end to it.
So this is a strong front line for Zeus Coffee.
Another chance here. Next set will regroup. Nabantayan si Permentilla. One more time for Kiara. Good pick up there by Angeles. Troncoso from the back. Another rally brewing. Oh, look at Cagate. Just the presence of mind for Thea, and that gets her to...
Layo ng first ball.
A broken play for Zeus. And Jove Gonzaga timing it. Ayun talaga yung sinasabi niya, hindi namimili ng set.
Oo. But yun din, yun nakita natin.
Easily, 25-19.
Oh!
Oh, lalim. Bao
Yeah.
naman yun.
Pero iniwas ni Jove yung attack niya sa kanyang blocker. Not a good first ball. Oh!
Pasok ba? And Permentilla was quiet for a little bit, or medyo... Who had us ace already early today.
Chance here for next lead.
Jove Gonzaga. Somebody was at the net.
Yeah.
Ah, it's a net violation called against next lead. So that is how we are going to end our second set. Di mo natuturo yon, but it's the skill that Thea Cagate comes in with. And a service ace to start off this third set. Si Lucille Almonte for the first time. So we're seeing the entirety practically, no, of the next lead bench. Uy! Far away from injury as possible. Chai stopped by next lead there. Gonzaga! That was a tough one. Oh, good decoy si Kit. Marakas lang there. Ayan na naman. At the blocking.
Oh, good defense.
Oh, wow, great pickup by Maraguinot. Back row, Gonzaga.
Oh.
Hindi yun nahabol. Ito si Jove Gonzaga.
Na attacker itong si Jove Gonzaga.
Good first ball. That wind up, rebound, next lead keeps going. Almonte just sending the ball over. Back set Gonzaga, Pineda was there. Aldea, easy. Gonzaga again. Almonte finds that corner, zone 1 empty. Smart play.
Yeah.
Good serve.
Oh,
Oh, wow. Gamit. Galit si Gamit doon, ha?
Arroyo for the block.
Almost. Again, Aldea really has a hard time picking up the balls of...
Pwesto ng mga receivers nitong next lead.
And the broken play here, but Permentilla will hit it anyway.
Oh!
That gets past her.
Yeah. Di siya nakapwesto for...
Zeus up by 1. Good first ball by Bang. Permentilla.
Yeah.
Did she make up for that last error? She did.
Yeah. Above her blockers, that was...
Running attack, and that is why she asks for that slide attack kasi pagka gumagana, ang ganda talaga. Jaja took care of that one. Permentilla again. Pumasok pa.
Oh, smart move.
Won by Chai Troncoso there.
Yeah, that was a smart move by Chai Troncoso using the
Just to
hands
keep
of
away from the net pagka may joust, ano? Ang
Yeah.
galing mag-net violation. Quick conversion! 2 in a row for Kit Pagkaslang.
Yep. First back.
Led up by 1.
Oh.
And Troncoso with that off speed works just as well. A point is a point.
The defense.
Oh, that escapes Bang Pineda. It's going to be a free ball. Another chance for Zeus. Oh, yung pitik talaga nung bola
Yeah.
ni Jove Gonzaga.
She was bullied nitong next lead. So Zeus Coffee needs to take care of yung mga lamang nila.
Oh, that reverse. Atienza with a quick point. I stand corrected. Di pala nakuha ni Atienza, no? Okay.
Good first ball. And a set by Maraginot.
And Gonzaga again. Kahit yung pinakamahihirap na bola, nako-convert pa rin. Yan, look at those numbers for Jovelyn Gonzaga. May block point pa siya. At hindi pa natin nakita doon yung digs niya. 10 na rin.
Oh, wow.
Permentilla is stopped.
Free ball.
Oh, that one worked this time. Nakabawi.
Oh, too low, but
Oh.
still.
Pasok pa rin. Ivy Perez almost there. Good read by Zeus Almonte. Good rebound. Zeus will go again. Gonzaga from the right pin. And she is dangerous from that point.
Yeah, so far again, back in the court, subbing in for Ivy Perez.
Difficult serve. Almonte pushes the ball over. Where will Mondoñedo go? And double block. Next leg. But just the same, Permentilla already with 16 points. Buhay pa. Pero lumabas and again Atienza, 2 in a row for her.
Serve ka na malakas para sumugal ka na makakuha ng service ace or misreceive for your opponents. Pero yun din ang hirap dahil minsan nakaka-commit ng error sa service area.
At push. Again, perfect control. Good placement there.
Na rin niya kasi na kung kailan patapos na yung set, hindi niya nakikita yung fire sa team niya.
And a quick answer for Permentilla.
And as much as possible, wag sila makakuha ng mga service errors. Talking about next leg kasi sila yung humahabol sa points.
Chance here for the Chameleons. Permentilla again. And she is stopped. Mondoñedo saving the day.
Free
Another
ball.
chance.
Oh!
Oh, ang gandang bantay din. That reverse, basa.
Like Ebon yung palo, or iningatan yung palo niya doon.
That's a safe first serve. Chacha pushing it out to Kiara again. And she will get the point off the block. Getting the serve in. That is what Kiara Permentilla needs to do. That's safe. Jove with the receive. The Gagate with the kill. And that is set 2 for Zeus Coffee.
Yeah, that was a good first ball. And sakto kay Cloan. And of course, when Thea Gagate their opponents, medyo mabagal yung kanilang floor defense.
And Mga Labnan is back on the court as the setter. And the violation at the net.
Yeah, dahil medyo overball eh.
So this is a must-win set 4 for the Chameleons. Tip, good read by Atienza. That one's outside. Check ball, says the Lions judge. And a must-win situation. We saw from the numbers in the third set na malaki yung disparity ng attack points. And alam natin, no-no yan para kay Coach Ettore.
Yeah.
He wants a lot of aggressive plays from his team. Bionic Ilongga ni Jove Gonzaga. Joust won by the smaller Mga Labnan. Permentilla is blocked, and that's something that's been happening also. Si Permentilla.
And maganda din yung pinoint ni Coach Ettore doon na hindi mo kailangan na sobrang gandang laro. As long as gumalaw lang kayo na maayos as a team and basahin nyo yung mga attackers ng kalaban, makakapwesto kayo na maayos. May Luna subbing in for Kiara dahil kanina nababantay na si Kiara ng mga blockers and parang nakikita din natin yung frustration sa kanya na hindi na siya makakuha ng puntos.
Bang Pineda passing it to Mangulabnan. Ebon also had a strong start today. Pineda again with a save. And that's a good point by Luna. Magic bunot right away.
Next led to break the momentum of Zeus Coffee.
Gonzaga with a push. And that is not going to be serve. Pineda. Like a Ebon, timing it. Going down the line.
Yeah, there was a check ball.
Road ahead for next lead. Medyo lopsided itong set 4. Ang bilis.
Yeah. Quick side out for Zeus Coffee.
And Maji with a quick one.
Oh,
thick ball.
Yeah.
Gamit, happy about that one. Choncoso keeps it alive. Gonzaga from back row with a tip. Great read by Ebon. Almonte, cross. Chini, cross. Yun, ang lumapag.
Grabe yung nitong Zeus Coffee. Pero gusto niya makita na mas maging okay yung gagalawin ng kanyang squad.
Kumbaga, no holds barred. Huwag na kayo magpigil.
Yeah.
Patayan kung patayan. And I think Job Gonzaga and Chai Troncoso, Chini Arroyo. Siyempre, nandyan din yung ating #1 draftee, Thea Gagate. Meantime, Zeus cannot make the mistake of relaxing at this point. Because we know, alam naman natin ang kalibre ng opensa ng next lead.
Maayos yung net defense ng next lead.
9-point lead still. Zeus Coffee already at 16 points. Combination attack. May usok pa yun.
Yeah. That was blocked.
Luna is blocked. Good cover by her.
Oh.
Thea Gagate feeling it. Ganado rin si Thea.
12 points for Zeus Coffee.
Good first ball. Luna pushing the ball in.
Oh, Job
Habol na naman ni
Gonzaga.
Jov. Nagpaparami din si Jov ng defense ng digs eh. Luna is blocked. Solid. Oh, may block point pa ngayon si Jov.
Siya pa yun nakakuha.
You want to get the whole picture. How many? 11 digs, I believe. And Luna sneaks in a point there.
Yeah, medyo Gail Pascual for Zeus Thunderbells.
Makaslang. Picked up. Good libero action. And that quick play, Thea Gagate. Angeles, the libero of Zeus with a lot of saves. Oh, pasok yun.
Yeah.
So, yan din ko minsan nakakalimutan mo, just the athleticism of April Tapia. Kahit in her UAAP days. Although she is lapsing into air.
Oh, combination play.
Nervina plays setter. Good pickup by Chai. Yandok giving it to Tapia again. Another chance here for next lead. Luna! Tumitiklo pa si Luna sa ere.
Laki ng lamang nung kalaban pero as much as possible, huwag kayong bumitaw as a team.
That's 5 straight points for next lead. Luna again. Called back. Almonte with a save. Gagate pushes the ball in. Ebon timing it. Oh! 6 points, 6-0 run. How about? As instructed, di ba?
Right.
And Tapia, again, stopped. Luna has been a scoring machine.
Oh.
I got the serve specialist, Dolly Versosa, in to maybe serve. Point of the match, wala pa. Let's see, it's still match point. Nice push. And Pascual will be credited for the winning point. But it was really the team effort of Zeus Coffee.
Yeah.